think that the British banned sati because they cared for women, then you need to watch this. Between the 15th and 18th centuries, Europe burned 50,000 people alive. Most of them women. They were labeled as witches. They even had a handbook on how to identify and torture them, describing women as a necessary evil and naturally inclined to sin. And this wasn't some random mob violence. It was state-backed, church-sponsored brutality. Now let's talk about sati. The British recorded 6,632 cases across entire India in 10 years. In a population of 160 million. That's 663 cases in a year. And 90% of these cases were reported in Bengal, where missionary activity was the highest. If you know, you know. And the biggest lie that we've been told is that sati was a Hindu practice, whereas ancient Hindu texts like Manusmriti never mandated sati. In fact, they said that widows should be protected by their sons. Sati was regional, in some cases voluntary, and many Indian rulers like Ahilyabai Holkar actively discouraged it. And you know the biggest hypocrisy of Britishers? They stopped burning women alive in Scotland only in the 1700s, and one generation later, they sailed to India and called us barbaric. The audacity. Lectured us on women's rights. They also use sati as one of the reasons to justify colonialism. We are just saving brown women from brown men. Well, what about the millions of Indians who were dying in British-made famines? Why didn't you save them? And let's talk about Jauhar too. It wasn't a ritual, it was a desperate and tragic war resistance against Islamic invaders who wanted to turn these women into sex slaves. It happened only during invasions, not during peacetime Hindu society. Now hear me out. I am not denying how tragic sati was and how in some cases it was forced upon women. And I'm not saying that comparing it to Europe's witch hunt makes it any less horrific. But my problem is with how our history was framed from a biased lens. They exaggerated our social evils and whitewashed their own. And this bias continues till date. So tell me, what's one piece of history that makes you really upset because you weren't taught about it properly in school?